Hi. I'm the Professor Daniel Tormo, and I'm going to.
Take two, cut.
No. Anyway, leave it. And okay, we build this. We build an algorithm to work this pendulum, inverted pendulum, and you can see how it works. Not so much because my friend, yeah, no. My friend make it and mine works better, but anyway. And we are improving to do some tests and put something in the top of the pendulum. For example, this. This is really easy to control it. Then we can try with borrower.
You're not going to put this on YouTube, are you?
Yeah. It works perfectly with a book.
Sometimes.
A really dangerous and it's really difficult to put it in the right place, but it works perfectly. And then we can try with an iPod. Perfectly. Now the Professor Daniel Tormo and Professor Steve
Thanks.
the builder of the algorithm and say goodbye. Bye.